Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own pizza sauce at home. And for this, I've got some fresh tomatoes here, one small purple onions, and a few pieces of ginger and garlic cloves. I've washed them thoroughly, so I'll go ahead and cut them into tiny chunks for blending. After cutting them, the next thing is to pour them into a blender and blend until smooth. And here is the blended tomato mix. I have few other ingredients I'll be using to make this sauce. And here I have salt, sugar, pepper, some thyme and the dried parsley. I have tomato paste and some vegetable oil. In a dry pan, I'll add the vegetable oil, heat it up a bit, and then pour in the tomato blend. Stir it very well and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. Stir it again and continue to boil it until the tomato mix cooks well. This has been boiling for about 10 minutes now. I'll add the tomato paste and stir and mix it thoroughly. I will then add the other ingredients. I have here some salt, about a quarter teaspoon, then the thyme, half a teaspoon of that, dry pepper, half a teaspoon of dry pepper also. Stir it together. After stirring that in, I'll then add in the sugar. I have here a teaspoon of sugar. Then stir properly and test for the salt or the sugar. Add more if needed. And cover to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And here it is. Our sauce is well cooked now. I'll add the dry parsley and allow it to boil for about a minute. I'll allow it because the parsley is dry, but if it is fresh one, you don't need to cook it anymore. You just put off the gas. And this tasted so nicely. The sugar gave it a sweet taste, but not too much. In fact, the taste is very okay. And then I'll pour it out into a plate and allow it to cool down. And you can store this in your refrigerator for about a week and in your freezer for more than a month. Now you can make your own pizza sauce. I also have a video of how to make your own pizza from scratch. If you have not seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Thank you all for watching. And please don't forget to like the video and share it as usual. And also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.